Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro. So this one here has just released today on the 20th of September 2019. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro. So you can see here is the iPhone 11 Pro 512 gigabytes. So let's see what's inside. So it's got a cover here. There's a tab. It's you to pull. So I'm just gonna pull it. Put it that way. And then let's see if there's another thing. So there's a flap, so you can just open like that, where the apple, and then we can just peel it off. And that's it. So that's the cover right there. And let's see what is inside this box. It's a bit sticky. So the phone is facing downwards. As you can see, and there's a tab we can pull up. So this one here is the Pro. The Pro has a stainless steel on the side of the phone. And there is a cover. So there's a screen cover. So we can just pull off. So it's really shiny, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to pull off the cover. There it is. And as you have been aware, there are 3 cameras now on the iPhone 11 Pro with a telescope lens. Now if you go for the iPhone 11, there's only 2 cameras, and with the Pro and the Pro Max, it comes with triple cameras. Okay, let's continue to see what else is inside this box. So again, you got the user menu. Inside this user menu, you got the hello. So it's just some very basic instructions how to turn the phone on and off. Then you got a SIM tray pin and 2 Apple logo stickers. Now this phone is supposed to come with an 18-watt charger. Now as you can see, this is the 18-watt charger. And let's see on the charger here, I just try to get a focus on it. And then you can see the output. So it's got an output of 2 amp right there, output of 3 amp. It's really hard to see, so a 5 volt with 3 amps or a 9 volt equal 2 amp output. So this is 18 watts, so it's supposed to charge your phone really quick on this one here. Now let's check the earphone. So this is the earphone right here. It's quite a standard earphone. That's what you get for your earphone. And then you got the charge cables down here. So charge cables. So if you've been wondering what type of charge cables you're gonna get, this is the charge cable here. It's different than before. You can see one end is a lightning port and one end is the USB-C type. So if you look on the phone here at the end, the charging port is still a lightning cables type, but on the other end it is a USB 3 type. So you can plug it into this charger. If you have any other charger, you can also plug it in. So that is the difference with the old cables. The old cables is a USB type like this. That's the old cables, and the new one now have a USB-C type. And that's that's everything inside the phone. So you got the phone, the box, the charger, the cables, the earphone, and I'm just gonna switch it on for the first time. And there it is. So I have to hold down for 3 to 5 seconds before the phone will start. So with the iPhone 11 Pro, you get a stainless steel casing and kind of like a matted back. So the glass is not shiny, it's kind of like matted. So I'm just gonna point into the right light so you can see it. It's kind of like opaque, not clear glass like the iPhone XS. So different glass spec to the previous year model. And this one here is kind of like a mirror. And there it is, it's starting up. So here is the setup screen. I'm just going to set it up quickly. Probably won't take long. So I'm just going to join the network. So connecting to the Wi-Fi network, and then we can move to the next step. So I'm just going to skip everything and we can set up later in settings. So don't transfer anything. Now this phone here costs $999 if you go after a 64GB, which is quite small for nowadays. So you probably look for something a bit higher. Now if you go all the way up to 512GB, it can cost you $1,350 US, and it's quite a bit. In Australia, I've got this one here for $2,300, and it is costs quite a lot more. Even after the currency conversion, it still costs more than getting it in the US. But you know, that's the price you have to pay if you want to get it. And there it is. So this is the new operating system, iOS 13. Now the two major difference to the previous year's model is the camera. Now with the cameras, there are three lenses. You can see they got the wide, ultra wide, and the telephoto lens. So that's the three major differences with this year's models. So you got a 0.5. You can see that's the telephoto lens right there. That's the normal, and then you got the telephotos, and then you got the ultra wide. Sorry, that's ultra wide right there. Then you got the standard lens, and you got the telephoto lens right there. Also, another difference is the battery life. With the new iPhone 11 Pro, the battery life can last a few more hours than the previous year's model, maybe 4 or 5 hours, depending if you go for the Pro or the Pro Max. The Pro probably can go up to 4 hours longer than last year's model. Now again, this all will also depending on your usage. If you use quite a lot, then the battery will run out quicker. But I think from what Apple say, you know, you can easily last this phone for the whole day. So I guess times will tell. After using it for a few weeks, then you can find out if the battery can actually last for a day or two. Now there are other updates to the phone as well, such as the CPU. You're getting a newer CPU which run a lot faster than the previous model. Also you got more RAM, more memory on your phone, which means it should run a lot faster, run more faster than last year's model. And if you just going to make phone calls, you won't notice a difference. But if you play games, especially games that use intensive CPU power or use a lot of memories, then you will notice a difference in performance with this phone. Okay, I'm heading outside to just test out the camera right now. So that's the camera right there, and I'm just going to go into videos, and you can see one of the changes with videos with the cameras is that during recording, now you can change the size. So you can see here, if I tap and hold to the zoom button, you can change. So I'm just trying to get a focus here. So you can actually zoom in and out. So there's like a dial, so you can move up and down. So you can see here, I can zoom in and I can quickly zoom out like that, like so. See, so that's the new things with the new cameras, is that it gives you the ability to change the zooming during recording as well. So I'm just going to record some sample footage. If you click on the link in the description later, I will include some footage and you can see what is the quality is like from the iPhone 11 Pro camera. Okay, so here is some of the sample footage of the cameras that I've used to take in the photos. So this is the one with a wide angles. Some of them are wide angles, some of them are close up using the telephoto lens. So this one here is standing up. So there it is. Now if you want to see this one in high resolution, I will upload another videos including all this footage so you can actually see it. So there it is. That's the camera. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. And yeah, if you want to see the actual footage, see the description later. Once I upload it, I will update the description of these videos, and then you can actually see the actual footage from this camera. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.